Good morning. We got a new video series here where I'm going to take a random set of O cards and work through one of my issues, and I want to see what one of your issues comes to from this. So I'm just waking up. I just got everything going. Got my coffee over here. That's right. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So I want you to also think of a problem, think of an issue, think of something that you're going through. I'm going to show you the other side of these two cards, and we will see how it goes. All right? I haven't looked at these either, and my issue that I want to work on today is the business. Yeah, just the business of YouTube, trying to get it a little bit more traction, get some more growth from there. Oh, whoa, hey, okay, all right. So this is what we got: homosexual and a shovel. What does this bring to mind? Okay, well, homo is the same. So this is me doing it by myself. Doing it by myself, trying to breed this business, create this connection with other people, and I'm just putting in the labor, the effort by myself, and it's not going in the direction I want. I mean, you can see in the picture that there's actually nobody working there. It kind of looks like it's in like a prison or a school. It might be the same thing, because of the background with the fence, and it's just like, doing it this way, doing it just by myself without support is not going to get to where I want to be. And this is why I have been adding on more people and kind of expanding efforts and things like that, and trying to bring out more of a community. And I think this is saying that I need to double up my efforts. I need to go a little bit stronger and more intently on that. Specifically homosexual, I don't know. I got nothing for that. But we got the first half. So I hope this was an interesting little series. This is something I do want to try to do almost every morning, permitting, and hopefully release them like that as well. But we'll see. So if it was helpful, please hit the little like button. And that was the first time I've ever said hit the like button. Ew. Keep up the lifelong question. Good luck, have fun. Peace.